All right, looks like we have a scene here with a dump truck that hit some power lines. And officer driving by, just making sure we're staying out of everybody's way. I'm not really sure what happened, but it looks like the dump truck left its dump up and took out some power lines. So I'm gonna get a little bit of video footage, which is what I'm doing now. And then I'm going to take some pictures. I don't know how close I'm gonna get because the power lines. But I gotta get a picture over to my boss. So that's the gist of what's going on. I'll walk up a little bit closer, but not too close. Lower Gwynedd officer let me have a little bit closer access to the scene. So shout out to Lower Gwynedd. I greatly appreciate that. He's a very nice guy. Looks like we might have a power line across the roadway. Let's get a picture here. There we go. And I gotta get that picture over to my boss, so I'm going to do that now. And I'm gonna cut the video here. I'll be right back. Hey, how you doing? It's a nice day, huh?
Beautiful.
All right, guys, I'm back, and I got my shots. Not really sure how this truck hit this line. Unless this line was like up over, going across the road, and he had his thing up and it hit it. Let's get a couple shots of that line that's across the road with the camera here. There we go. Let's get some focus. There we are. And record. Looks like PECO got here pretty quick. They got the road closed down where Bethlehem Pike splits off from 309 and becomes like, you know, the highway. Where I'm standing is what goes into like Springhouse, Ambler area. We got some wires down up here. Let's see if we can get a shot of that. Get a shot of those power lines. There it is. And let's go over here. I think we could probably walk up to where these cones are. There might be a line in the road right there though. Oh, there's lines down right here too. Okay, so yeah, we're not gonna walk up that far. Let's get a little more video here. Man, he really took down a major line there. Sorry guys, just getting this footage that I need. I'll try and hold it up here so I can hold it steadier. I would imagine they have the power to these lines cut off. There is a line right here, so I definitely don't want to walk up past that. I'll just film from right here. Got that shot. Let's take a couple pictures here. Just to document. You can actually, in these pictures, you can see the fall trees changing, or the trees changing for fall, I should say. It looks really good, or it looks really cool. All right, I think we got what we need. That's about it. That's all we're gonna need. So not a big scene, but they got the road closed down. Obviously, there's also a pole laying down over there in the roadway. There's a couple wires right here, which I don't know if you can see. It's my camera here. It's coming from this pole all the way down and out into the road. So something got yanked and ripped. I don't see any lines on this side that are torn down, so that's can't really do much more than that. Anyway, again, shout out to Lower Gwynedd Police, and we'll catch you guys on the next scene.